stream.
My friends.
Wow! What's the name of such?
It's called the Reuben toast.
What the fuck? This shit came from your ass, didn't it? You toasted this shit for your butt cheeks. This is not my fucking first rodeo.
I'm not gonna keep telling you to eat this shit, bro.
Alright, okay, sorry.
Start chewing, bro. You're moving mad. Yeah? Before I really, you know what?
I'm chewing. I swear to God, I'm chewing. Oh my God! Wow. Sorry, sorry I didn't start sooner. Wow. Sorry. Oh.
Why look at me like that? wait, what the?
Enjoy the food, bro. I'm out of here, bro.
No, please don't go.
Hey, yo, bro, chill. Nah, you moving loose.